Brad Williams, XL Prime. How about using wildcards? Again, here we go. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got shirt, we got SUMIF. We know how to do this. We're not going to hard code. We're going to reference. We're going to point to. We got a SUMIFs, and because we got a single criteria, we can use either or. That's the beauty of this stuff. Item 117, well, item 117 is going to be this C5, C13, apparel. You know, I should have typed apparel, but so be it. Item 117, amount, retail. What are we doing? We're going to count up anything with hat. No F9, just very simple, pink hats. $9, that's it. Hoodie, how many hoodies you see? Should I go back? We have an asterisk and an F5. F5 is hats. That's why I said we could point. So I will explain this over here. They arrange a little bit different. We have an amount, which is retail. It should say retail. And then item will be apparel. And then our wild card is over here. That's the criteria and the sum range. That's it. And then we can just go down if you want shirt. We only have one shirt, okay? And if this was hat alone, would it pick it up? Okay, we have, what do we have? Anything and hat. We have hat brown. That kind of answers that question, doesn't it? The hat has to be attached to, in this case, pink. How about if we just put hat? H-A-T. So yeah, hat is picked up, and pink hat is picked up. What if we, and hat, cat, is not picked up? So, to answer your question, I know you're thinking this, well, what if hat is alone? Or what if hat is a cat? Then you could see hat and cat are not part of this concatenation. Now, if we put concatenation. If we, or wildcard and concat. If we put this wildcard after F5, we would pick up cat, right? Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks.